Hello, dear beauties. Very warm welcome to all of you on the journey of styles and fashion, Safiranas. So, dear beautiful ladies, I hope so you all are fine, good, and enjoying the very good conditions of your health. So, dear beauties, in my today's video, you are going to find out most amazing, stylish, and trending collection of summer seasons long maxi dresses for beautiful ladies and girls for enhancing your styles and look in 2025 summer seasons. So you are going to find out more than 100 plus styles and designs of different fabric and different styles of maxi dresses, long gown style dresses, frock style dresses. So you are going to find out chiffon fabric, long maxi dresses, cotton fabric, silk fabric, and georgette fabric, long maxi style dresses, gown styles, and frock style dresses for enhancing your styles and look for your 2025 fashion and styles. So you will be find out all our print style maxi dresses. You will be find out ruffle band styles, frill styles, layer styles, hem styles, smoke style maxi dresses with beautiful styles, beautiful designs of sleeve and neck styles. Those girls, those women who love to wear maxi dresses and who love to style maxi dresses, frock dresses, and gown style dresses. So these are the best latest ideas, latest collection of gown styles, maxi styles, and frock dresses. Today I have collected for you in this video. So must watch video till the end. Very beautiful styles, very beautiful designs, very beautiful fashion of maxi dresses are coming up next in this video. So please don't skip any style, don't skip any design. You will be find out A-line style maxi, you will be find out umbrella styles, you will find out hem styles, patchwork styles, ruffle work styles, lace fabric styles, maxi dresses, and gown dresses for your party wears. Even you will carry these styles of long dresses for your daily work wears. Occasion dresses, beach dresses, daily wear dresses, party wear dresses of maxi style and gown styles. Stylish and comfortable dresses for summer seasons. Today you are going to find out in this video. I love all these designs, I love all these styles, and I hope so, dear beautiful ladies, you will love these too. You will love these styles, you will love these designs. So if you are loving these designs, if you are loving these styles of maxi dresses, so please do like my video. Do share my video with the new people, new styles, and new fashions. So the new people getting new ideas and new styles of maxi dresses, gown dresses, and folk style dresses for enhancing their styles and look for 2025 fashion. Don't forget if you are new on my channel, so please do also subscribe my channel, dear beauties, and press the bell icon to get the notifications of my videos. So after getting the notifications of my videos, you will never miss any idea, any collection, any design on my channel. I always try to bring YouTube videos and useful content for you on daily basis. So please don't forget to share your kind opinions in the comment section. Must share your opinions about my videos, about my content, about my channel. Tell me in the comment section which type of more videos you want to watch on my channel, or which type of more videos, which type of more content will be useful and helpful for you. I really try my best to make my videos according to your opinions, so please must share your kind opinions in the comment section. So as you can see, different styles and different designs of maxi dresses with long sleeves, half sleeves, sleeveless styles, sleeveless designs, quarter sleeves, and beautiful neck designs. Fashionable girls, fashionable movements must have these styles of long dresses, these styles of maxi and gown style dresses in their wardrobe for 2025 look and fashion. Top trending, stylish, and hot collection of maxi dresses you are going to find out in this video. I hope so you will enjoy these styles, you will enjoy these designs. So must watch video till the end. Don't forget to like and share my video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and also give your feedback in the comment section. So enjoy the video till the end. See you soon with a new collection of ideas and design for you. So till then, take good care of yourselves and bye till the next video.